Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I've got an assistant here, my son. So he's going to help be the cameraman. So we got the bolts screwed into the clips, all four on the top. Some problems I ran into is the two pins I was talking about down below have two holes to go in, so they could have been misaligned by a ½ inch, but I took it back, slid it back apart, and finally got the top holes to line up with the top. Alright, this is the gently but firmly technique of swinging this fan assembly. So we're going to have to lift that up out of the way. So I'm going to take it like an inch at a time and see what's getting tangled up or what's draining or dripping wrong. So move that out of the way. Okay, got it. You just concentrate on the action there for the viewers at home. So I'm checking my wiring harness. I'm not straining it. The oil lines are not hooked up yet. Gently moving it a wee bit, make sure nothing's too terribly tangled. Get over those oil aluminum holes. Bring it down. See what's got it hung up at each stage without tearing anything. Oh, that's what's got it. Okay. Now we're almost in position to put some bolts in. Now this has to go there. I got one on each corner, each of the four corners. Just lift it up until it's. So now we're getting close. This rests on top of the radiator there. Oops, too far. The radiator too far. The radiator fan assembly too far. Well, learning from that mistake, let me get some screws in. So I think that was this size. I'll peg one of these in. Wiggling makes the world go round. Looks like that got fit in there. Next one over here. Get that in. Alright, grab my 10mm if I remember right. Yep, those are 10mm. And it's kind of, I don't want to tighten it up, I just want to get some more rotations on there so it doesn't fall out too easily. So it's not tight, but it's firm. Well, not firm, but it's not falling out. I'm going to grab my little ratchet my son was trying to hand me. Put it in the tightening mode. Just get some rotations on that bolt, but I'm not going to. Oh, I tightened it, so I'm going to back it off to make sure everything is still loose yet. I want everything loose until the very end. It's like your women, you want them loose, right? Sorry if you're a woman out there, I'm a guy, I'm just joking around. So I put that back on, did y'all catch that? So this is your radiator fill reservoir hose. Just push that on. Surprisingly, there was no hose clamp, but I guess it's not under pressure. This is under atmospheric pressure. It was probably into there, and it probably went to that. Yeah, probably most likely. So, are you able to see anything there, son?
Yep.
Is the sun blinding you?
No.
All right. How much coolant did we lose? Well, maybe a little bit. Now I'm going to put this cap on. Don't probably need to put it on, well, I'll just put it on half tight for now. Alright, I'm going to swing this back down the hole. This is our assembly. Assemblea. How do I do this? Oh, I still gotta, I'd like to put it down there. Looks like I have to cheat and move that flap back. And catch that, son? Alright, let go. I can hold on to it. Now, there we go. Now way down at the bottom we got our 10 millimeter. You might need to look down there way at the bottom. Can you see where my hand's pointing? There's the 10 millimeter bolt I left in the hole. Now we're going to swing this and wiggle it into place. Put the horns back in the hole. We'll get those hooked on in a minute. Oops. Careful. Oh, careful, Steve. Alright, one more time. I'm trying to get down there and put that bolt onto. See if I can feel the hole first. Oh, that's right. Where is it? Right there. So you can see this car's been in a fender bender. That thing has been bent. That's why I got the car. And I got it screwed into that hole. I'm not having much luck here, so maybe it's because the angle's wrong. Alright, well, you get the idea. I'm going to do that off camera, son. Let's shut her down.